everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, y'all not gonna believe what this here video is about. I'm just saying, click on that subscribe button so we can go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. If you've been watching me for a while, then you're going to understand this whole unboxing. It is a bag, and I will show you really quick where it's from. Is the bag replica. Like I told you in my previous vlog, I will insert the card up top so you can go ahead and check that out. Reach out to me and ask me to do a video on a Chanel, like a Chanel bag. Familiar with Chanel, y'all know I don't have no Chanel bags, so I'm more familiar with Louis Vuitton. And I always said I wanted to get a replica because I wanted to compare it to my original Louis Vuittons. And keep in mind, you all, my bags are legit. They came from Louis Vuitton. Let's be clear, okay? This here is a replica. I'm sharing with you all because that's what I do here on this channel. It's not about me trying to fake like it's real, because I could have put it in the box and, you know, had my receipts, you know, had my old boxes and bags. But, you know, here on this channel, I don't do that. Like, it's not nothing fake or phony on here. But, you know, because you all, I did peek and I'm like blown away, because I don't have nothing against replica bags, but I just don't buy them. I just don't. What I like, and that's the real deal. But this particular bag, y'all already know, is sold out. It's actually discontinued. A lot of people keep telling me, get on the list, get on the list. Now I'm on the list with my essay at the Atlanta location, and I'm on the list with an essay on the 1-800 number with customer service. She put me on the list, so I'm like, nobody has called, and I've been on the list for a few months, so I'm like over purchasing the bag at this point, because clearly it's not the same price that it was back when I did get on the list. Brand reached out to me and I was like, no, I'm not interested in the Chanel bags, but I looked on the website and I saw Louis Vuitton, and I said, if you can get me this particular bag, I would do the unboxing. Give me like a Speedy or a Neverfull. Y'all already know I have a Speedy and Neverfull. I'm not looking to get a replica in those bags at all. Else in Louis Vuitton, because there's nothing else I want but this particular bag. Came yesterday. I didn't even know it was coming because they didn't send a tracking number or anything. I'm here today to share the unboxing, you all. I opened the box. I was so excited, like, because I told you I wanted this bag so bad. And I'm okay with carrying the replica of this bag. Like, I'm okay. It's going to come up to me and be like, okay, miss, your bag is not real. I just wanted the feel of the bag. So if it ever become available, then, you know, since I have this, I can, you know, really decide to purchase and don't have to worry about taking it home, playing with it or whatever, because I have a chance to play with a replica version of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video, because y'all know I can talk and keep talking and keep talking. See this bag. Now I know you can purchase like bags, because I did hear people sell their bags like on the website. I never looked to sell my bags because, you know, I don't know, I just never looked to sell it. So this could be like a real Louis Vuitton bag that someone sold. Bag, y'all, look at this. And not only that, I was really impressed. Like, if you okay with wearing replica bags, I highly recommend this brand, because when I tell you, they had the receipts, they had the ribbon. I'm gonna show you everything. Like, I am like impressed. Like, now the only thing different is, of course, the box, because you know Louis Vuitton boxes are not like this. But yeah, that's nothing, because you know this here box I'm not looking to keep. But link everything down below, you all, because I ain't gonna lie, this is a good replica bag. Like, here they got this Louis Vuitton booklet. They even got the receipt. You know how the receipt that we get at the stores, and have that. Like, what? Look, even the receipt paper. Like, y'all is doing too much. And they even have the Louis Vuitton information far as the particular bag. The difference, like the paper quality is off, only because I have the original paper in my collection, so I do feel the difference in the quality. But y'all, I'm gonna tell you, you would never notice the difference. Sharing these things with you because, like I said, I just wanted to really do this here video to do a comparison. Once I do the unboxing, then I'm gonna go and do a second video comparing it to one of my actual Louis Vuitton bags. It's like, look at this. I mean, the color is, let me see, I think the color is spot on. Oh, it comes with the blue ribbon. Like, yo, they don't play no games. The Louis Vuitton card. Now, this is something probably extra from their brand. Actual Louis Vuitton receipt. Like, when I tell you this brand is legit, like, I am impressed. This is crazy. This came from Hong Kong. Like, oh my gosh, I'm just like blown away. Like, cause I have never a day like when my mom would go to like the discount malls, you know how they would sell like replica bags and stuff, and it's just like they had it like in a trash bag, you just grab it and go. Here is like, yeah, they took the time, I will say that. This bag is a little different than the original, but again, you would never notice if you never had the original bag, yo. When I tell you, they ain't play no games with this here bag. Louis Vuitton bags never come in like plastic like this. They never wrapped at all. Never received a wrap bag like this, so I could be wrong, but I never received a wrap bag from Louis Vuitton like this. By what I received in my collection, like I never had nothing like this come, nothing wrapped like this in my original Louis Vuittons, but difference in the packaging and stuff. And y'all, when I saw this bag, like, oh, if I didn't mention, I ended up getting a bum bag. Like I said, I was willing to take the replica version of it. Like, I just wanted it that bad. And I'm the type of person, once I wear the bag a few times, I won't wear it right away. So that's another reason why I didn't mind the whole replica thing. Still haven't worn my birthday bag, y'all. So I don't know what this is about. I was like, okay, why we have a hospital band on here? And take all this here wrapping off. Now, like I said, I never had a replica bag, so I don't know how the patina thing is going to work. Like, I don't know if this leather, whereas though it's going to patina like the original Louis Vuittons. It will, because it would make it look even more legit. Already don't look legit, but y'all know what I mean. Raw leather, like I just got it. But y'all know what I mean. Like, I love to see the raw leather patina because it just has like that nice look. It's stuffed, and you know, again, my bags from Louis Vuitton never were stuffed. Maybe was that? No, I don't think so. Birthday bag, that wasn't stuffed. Like, I am impressed with this here particular company when it comes to this type of bag. I don't have the original to compare it to. I was going to look into using like one of my Speedies or Neverfull. Is the inside of the bag. If y'all have a belt bag from Louis Vuitton, let me know your thoughts on this here bag, far as the way it looks on camera. Like flaws that are like let you know that, oh, that's not real. No, because I don't have this bag. You do have your zipper, because my daughter was like, oh, mom, it smells like real leather, and I was like, it do. Let me see, how can I put it on? Wait to have a day off so I could do this hair review. Go to TJ Maxx today. I think I'm gonna do a shop with me today to, you know, wear this bag, Lululemon belt bag. All right. The bag on the front, not sure how I would carry it, because I don't know, maybe I will carry it like so. It is kind of bulky, so I never got a chance to actually try on a real belt bag, because every time I went into the Louis Vuitton store, they never had one available. I was very happy to see this here bag. So I'm gonna go and grab a few things just to show you what can fit in here. So happy for that. And it's really roomy. Like, I see what people were saying, like when I was looking at videos, this hair thing do hold a whole lot. A D-ring here, I'm not sure what this hair D-ring is for. On the front of this hair bag, this hair do lift up like so. Louis Vuitton on the handle, and like I said, you also have your back pocket, which I'm sure can fit my cell phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I heard they coming out with a new phone, you all, so you already know if I like it, I'm upgrading, and I will be unboxing that with you all as well. My iPhone do fit in the back pocket of this here particular bag. On point. Like when I tell you this bag is on freaking point. Garbage. I wouldn't even waste my time. The only reason why I'm doing this here review because it's legit. Like this shit is legit. Like I am impressed. Spending all this money and these bags looking like this. Like that's crazy. But this is my only bag. I'm gonna just let you know. If I get sent a bag, that's something different, but it's nothing I really want. Let me go grab some stuff and I'll be right back, okay? Scissors, because I had to get this little piece of paper. It was still stuck on the bag that I was talking about. I got this here pink case. I cannot find my lens cover. Blue lemon bag. I did get a new Gucci lipstick, you all. So pretty. A mirror and my Dior lip. Grab a few. This is the bag that I usually carry to work. For me today, like I said, I'm thinking about doing a shop with me. So, vlogging camera. But here is my Louis Vuitton wallet, Gucci card case, my AirPods, Gucci lip, my Dior lip, mirror from that wig company. It's in here for the sake of the video, but not sure if I'm going to carry this in this bag because it's kind of heavy. But I'm just letting you know it can fit. Zippers like so. You can carry the bag like this. Carry crossbody. Let me take that camera out because that camera is way too big for this here bag. For a carrying case so I can carry. But I may just carry it in one of my Lululemon bags because it's kind of like a small little, you know, those little Lululemon bags you get when you purchase something like the small ones. I'm going to probably put this here. And let me tell you, the hardware feels nice. Like it doesn't feel like cheap or anything. I like it hanging like this. I have to get used to this. But y'all, it looks so cute. Like, do y'all see that? Like I can see me like carrying it like this, resting my arm on it or whatever. Like that's probably how I will wear this hair bag with it tossed to the side so it won't, you know, be in my way because it is kind of bulky. Shopping or walking around, I can carry like this or hanging towards the back. I just wanted to get on here really quick and share this hair unboxing, you all. When I tell you I am super excited and happy to actually have this hair bag regardless of the situation, like I'm happy, so I'm good. You know, if it crossed my way, I probably will decline, only because this one is giving me what I need. So I want to come up on me and be like, girl, that's not real. So even if I do get a call saying, hey, Tamika, the bag is available, I'm going to go ahead and decline. I'm just being honest. I don't want to pay the new price of this particular bag. Like I don't even know the new price because it's not even available. So I'm sure it's not, you know, what it was back when I saw it. Save my coins from here on out. I'm gonna look into other brands because, you know, we do have Coach, MCM, MZ Wallace. We have all other brands, so Louis Vuitton is not on my radar no more except for this particular bag. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this hair unboxing. I am so excited to have my bag. If you like Miss Tamika, it don't matter if it comes from Louis Vuitton or Hong Kong. I want what I want. I'm going to leave all the details regarding this particular store down in the description box because I'm telling you, you all, it's Miss Tamika approved. Like it's worth it. Canvas, because you know, like it feels like the actual Louis Vuitton canvas, like spot on. So I wouldn't recommend this if it wasn't Miss Tamika approved, and it is Miss Tamika approved. It's on their particular website, so you don't have to just pick Louis Vuitton. They have Chanel, all those other brands. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below. If you don't see the link, it's only because they didn't leave the link, because I have to remember which company sent this, because companies reach out to me wanting to send me different items. A lot of them wanted to send me a lot of Chanel. I wasn't really interested in a Chanel because I really had nothing to compare it to. Enjoyed this hair video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, you all, and that notification bell so y'all can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.